To obtain a shiny sea pickle, also known as pickle Rick, you'll need to dedicate some time and effort. The shiny sea pickle is a mythical catch found in the open ocean, but only at night and during autumn and summer in clear or cloudy weather. It's essential to remember these specific conditions, as they are crucial to finding this rare fish. The sea pickle itself is quite rare, and shiny fish in general have a low spawn rate, so be prepared to spend a significant amount of time searching. If you're lucky, you might experience a shiny surge event, which increases the chances of encountering shiny fish by 3%. When searching for the sea pickle, you don't need a heavy-duty rod, so it's recommended to use the luckiest rod available to you. Having a rod like the Destiny rod can be beneficial if you have access to it. Obtaining a shiny sea pickle, or pickle Rick, can be rewarding, as it can be sold for a decent amount of money. However, many players might choose to keep it as a rare item to show off to friends, making it a desirable catch. Additionally, it's possible to get multiple mutations alongside the shiny effect, resulting in unique variations like Big Pickle Rick. With patience and persistence, you can add this rare fish to your collection.